Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shahzad Iqbal. In this video, we are going to quickly explore the finance and GL part of finance and operations application of Dynamics 365. So let's have a look. This is the main dashboard of application. Here we find users' workspaces. Workspaces are collection of links to common tasks. For example, if we go into the bank management, here we find the links to manage our bank accounts and the related banking operations. Next, let's jump to the menus. After home, favorites, and the recent, we can find the menu for the workspaces, the same workspaces what we have on the dashboard. And after the workspaces, we can see the menu to access all the modules. In given modules, first of all, we go to the journal ledger, and in journal ledger, we go to the chart of accounts and then accounts. When you click on the chart of accounts, here we find built-in chart of accounts for different countries. In the list of accounts, we can see code, name, account type, etc. The code is structured to manage multiple levels of accounts. Let's check configuration of accounts. There are various fields in account configuration to manage the accounting and related reports. In chart of accounts, next we find dimensions, which are used to manage cost centers like projects, departments, and related reports. Next, we go to the sub-menu, journal entries for journals and other related actions. Let's click on the journal. Here we can see the list of entries. Let's open one journal entry to see the line items. There are all necessary fields required to account for any transaction and then extract its related reports. Next, we open inquiries and reports. Here we find required accounting and financial reports. Let's jump into the financial reports. We have list of different financial reports, including income statements, balance sheet, cash flow statement, budget comparisons, and others. Further, with the other menus, there are three menus to manage GL settings and configurations: ledger setup, journal setup, and posting setup. In accounts payable menu, there are sub menus to manage vendors, purchase orders, invoices, payments, and other related matters. In invoices, let's check invoice journal. Here we have a list of invoices with buttons for various required actions. When we open an invoice, here we have all necessary fields to input invoice related data. Next, in payment sub-menu, let's check vendor payment journal. We open one to see lines and other content in it. So here we see all the details. In inquiries and reports, we can see the list of various reports. Let's go into the aging report. This is the wizard for selection of criteria to print required reports. Here we also have set of menus to deal with the required settings. Let's have a look. Next, account receivable, which is more or less the same as we have seen the accounts payable. Now let's check what is there in cash and bank management. In bank accounts, we go to the bank account transfers. Here we have list of transfers. Let's open one to see the details. Here again, we have setup menu to manage the required settings. There is so much more to explore as we can see the given menus and the workspaces. So this was a quick overview of finance module of Dynamics 365. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in my next videos.